how to find and sync contacts on Facebook. So now go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Then tap on the menu icon which is found on the upper right corner. Then tap on the gear icon which you can also find on the upper right corner. Then tap See More in Account Center and select your information and permissions. Then tap Upload Contacts, and from here you can select any from these options. So from here, just tap the toggle button beside Continuous Contacts Upload. Here it says that Facebook will now be accessing your contacts to find friends, specifically through email addresses, phone numbers, and names. So just tap the Get Started button and tap Allow. And so from here, you will see all of the accounts that Facebook has suggested based on your contacts. And so that is how you find and sync contacts on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.